Running errands, getting to work, taking the kids to school, your car has to be ready.
Hi, I'm Eric from ER Autocare.
We're masters of our craft, and we give you the most seamless auto repair experience possible. Here's what to expect when you visit ER Autocare. When you arrive, we'll check you in fast, what you're hearing, seeing, or feeling, any warning lights, and what you need today. Then we'll take it from there. Next, we perform a digital inspection and diagnosis. You'll get a clear report with photos, notes, and recommendations so you can see what we see. We'll walk you through what's urgent, what can wait, and what makes sense for your budget. And nothing gets done without your approval, no surprises. Need to keep your day moving? We offer transportation options plus financing for larger repairs so you can get back to life without the stress. When it's ready, we'll review what was done, answer your questions, and send you on your way with warranty-backed repairs and peace of mind. Visit ER Autocare in Upper Arlington, Plain City, Polaris, or Sawmill. Call us, book online, or stop by.